In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mobile optimize funnels and websites in GoHighLevel for an optimal viewing experience. As more and more users are accessing websites via their mobile devices, it's crucial to ensure that your site looks just as good and functions as smoothly on a smaller screen. Let's get started by diving into the step-by-step instructions. First, you'll want to transition into the mobile preview mode. Start by navigating to the proper section. Head over to the Sites area, and from there, go to either Funnels or Websites, depending on what you're working on. Open up the page editor and you'll notice a couple of icons at the top that represent different devices. You'll typically see a desktop icon and a mobile icon. Click on the mobile icon. This action is crucial as it allows you to view and edit your mobile version separately from your desktop site, ensuring that changes you make are specific to the mobile layout. The ability to edit these versions independently is a powerful feature, allowing you to tailor your site to fit perfectly in a smaller screen environment. Once you're set in mobile preview mode, your next task is to optimize the section layouts specifically for mobile devices. It's important to note that desktop layouts, while effective on larger screens, often appear overcrowded and unwieldy on the limited real estate of a phone screen. Here are some best practices to follow for a streamlined mobile site. First, adopt single-column layouts as much as possible. This approach creates a clearer flow of content, guiding the viewer's eye down the screen in an intuitive manner. It's also crucial to stack all elements vertically. This means realigning side-by-side images or text so that they sit below each other, providing a seamless transition for users scrolling on a touchscreen. Another key point is to reduce unnecessary sections. Mobile users typically appreciate streamlined content, and with limited space, it's vital to focus on what's really important. Remove any elements that don't add value to the user experience. This may include redundant images or over-textual information that could clutter the display. Always aim to keep the most crucial content near the top of the page where it's immediately visible without the need for excessive scrolling. Prioritize essential information, call to actions, and components that engage your audience upon landing. These steps and practices, when applied consistently, will help ensure that your website or funnel is not only visually appealing, but also highly functional on mobile devices. By focusing on mobile-specific edits, you are crafting a user experience that caters directly to an audience that increasingly relies on their phones to explore and interact with content online.